the store to find some sweet potatoes. I'm checking some different stores to try to see how many varieties I can find so I can grow some sweet potato slips. So I've heard that you need to get organic sweet potatoes to do the sweet potato slips. So let's go see what we can find. Okay, I'm back from the store and I want to show you guys what I got. So I went to 3 different stores and these are the only organic ones I found. One of these is from Costco and one is from Sprouts, and they look a little bit different. So I don't really know what kind they are. I did take a picture of the label. And then these 2 are not organic. This is a purple one and this is more of a yellow one. So I'm going to try to see if these will sprout. I know sometimes they put something on it so that it won't sprout. So we'll see how that goes. So I've been looking, I've never grown slips before. I've never grown sweet potatoes before. So I went online and I went and looked at a whole bunch of tutorials, and it seems like this is the best method. I'm not going to try to do an experiment with it. I'm just going to do this method because it seemed like the consensus was that this was the best method. So what I have is some seedling mix over here. It doesn't have any fertilizer in it or anything. Just the seed mix. So I'm going to fill the bottom. I'm doing this a little bit early. Some say to only do it 8 weeks before your last frost. It's about 12 weeks. But I want to start a little bit early, so if this fails, I can get some seeds from the actual greenhouse, some seed potatoes, and see if that works. So come with me on my journey. Let's see if we can do this from start to finish. I've been reading up about sweet potatoes, so I found out they can't have a lot of nitrogen. All right, so they say just to put these inside here so they're halfway out in the soil. I'm going to put a little bit more soil. This will be really kind of a cool experiment. We'll see if these non-organic ones sprout. But apparently it takes about 4 weeks before they start to sprout, so we'll see. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. And then they say just to keep the soil moist and not to put any holes in the bottom of this. So I am going to moisten this with a spray bottle, and I'll just keep that moist, and I'm going to stick it up in my seed starting station on the top. Not with a lot of light, but by a window so it will get some light. And I don't have a warming pad. I'm not sure if it needs that, but I'm going to put a little towel underneath it, try to keep it warm. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna give them a good little wet. Now, from what I understand, you don't need to fertilize these because all the nutrition that the potatoes need the potato slips need are in the potato. So I hope that's correct information. If not, let me know. I don't know why I've never grown sweet potatoes. I love them. I eat them all the time. So I'm super excited to try this out. So I'm going to set these up here on top of my seed starting station. I'll get a little bit of sun every day, not a lot. And we'll see how this goes. If you guys have any more tips from me growing these slips, let me know. Do I need to cover these? I don't know. So follow my journey and let's see how these slips do. Let's see if I can get these to harvest. And coming soon, I'm going to be planting my peas. So I'll show you how I do that. I've been planting peas for over 20 years. And I'll show you how I do that. And I'm also going to be planting a lot of other spring stuff here just in about 2 or 3 weeks.